to another video. And today what we're doing is I'm giving you an idea of how spatial audio works on the Apple TV on tvOS 15. So what I currently have is this is being recorded on my iPhone. I have a Sennheiser Ambio smart headset connected, which is a binaural microphone set. So basically it has one microphone in each ear. I then have my AirPods Max. You should just be able to see in the reflection there. I have my AirPods Max at the top. Now if I bring up Control Center and we come down to the AirPods, as you can see, these are the options. So we do have spatial audio option available, and I currently have it on. And what I will do is initially I'll play this looking straight at the camera, straight at the TV. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my head to the left and turn it to the right, and you'll notice that the audio or the vocals, the main sort of center channel if you like, will stay dead straight. And when I turn my head to the left, it will then turn into my right, well the right audio channel, and when I turn my head to the right, the center channel will become the left speaker. So essentially if I rotate to the right, your center channel stays where it is. So what I'll do is I'll just start this. So currently I'm just looking straight forward.
Wake up, monster!
Like I say, right now you should be able to hear the audio just coming straight on.
There's a reason we're all put
now
on
I'm
this
turning my
earth.
head to the left. And
One purpose.
now what you should notice is all of the audio has gone to the right channel. Now I'm turning my head to the right, and what you should notice is all the audio
Over the course of our life, we come to understand why.
is on the left channel.
Why me?
Now, having the Ambio headset underneath is kind of interfering. So the way this works, I don't think it has anything to do with the actual location of where your Apple TV is. It works solely off the AirPods Max or the AirPods Pro themselves. So unlike the iPhone and AirPods Max setup, where it actually uses your iPhone as the sort of center point, and then depending on what you do, how you move around the iPhone, or you move the iPhone around you, the audio then rotates around you in this spatial audio sort of bubble. Whereas what this is doing is it's judging how you've initially started the playback with the AirPods Max on, and then if you then rotate left or right, so if you turn your head left or right, it then adjusts accordingly. So with me having the second set of headphones underneath the AirPods Max, it does mean that essentially what you're getting is it's not quite seated perfectly. So because of that, obviously sometimes it can be slightly off if I'm trying to demonstrate this. But in terms of the audio channel being centered and any sort of effects being around me and behind me, that should still be coming through. So right now I've got my head to the left, and you'll notice that the vocals are coming from the right channel, my right ear. Whereas now I've turned my head to the right, and you should notice that the audio, whilst very faint on this side, it has switched to the left side. I'm now looking straight on. Yeah, so it seems a little slow with these headphones underneath. Maybe it's interfering with the actual sensors, but essentially that's how it works. So as long as you've got them in without anything in between, and your sensors are all unobstructed, then essentially when you're sat and if you move your head to the left or to the right, your center channel will still stay where your head was to start with, so bang straight on, essentially looking at your TV, which essentially does the same thing. So as long as when you start the movie you're not looking out the window or something, looking at on the side, this will work. It works in the same way as it would with the iPhone screen itself.